Today I am reviewing the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse designed to make your life easier while keeping your home spotless. This next-generation smart vacuum combines advanced suction, intelligent navigation, and automated mopping features to deliver professional-level cleaning without any manual effort. Right out of the box, you'll notice the sleek design and premium build quality, signaling that this isn't your ordinary robot vacuum. At the heart of the Q10 S5 Plus is its incredible 10,000 pascals HyperForce suction, capable of lifting dirt, dust, crumbs, and even embedded pet hair from carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, and tight crevices. Thanks to the dual anti-tangle design, which includes the jaw scraper's comb main brush and a specialized side brush, tangled hair and debris are minimized, keeping the vacuum running efficiently for longer periods without constant maintenance. This makes it perfect for households with pets or anyone dealing with shedding and heavy foot traffic. One of the most convenient features is its self-emptying system with a 70-day dust bag. The large 2.7-liter bag allows the vacuum to operate for over 2 months without needing manual emptying. This is especially useful for busy families or pet owners who want consistent cleaning without interruption. The self-emptying station also reduces dust exposure, keeping the process cleaner and more hygienic. Beyond vacuuming, the Q10 S5 Plus also excels at mopping. The VibraRise 2.0 sonic mopping system scrubs your floors at up to 3,000 vibrations per minute, effectively removing stains, spills, and dried messes. When it encounters carpets, the mopping module automatically lifts up to 8 millimeters, ensuring your rugs stay dry while other areas of the home are thoroughly cleaned. The dual-zone sonic vibration technology ensures that even stubborn messes are no match for this smart cleaning system. Navigation is another area where the Q10 S5 Plus truly shines. Its precise sense LiDAR system scans 360 degrees to create highly detailed maps of your home, supporting multiple levels and precise route planning. Combined with reactive tech obstacle avoidance, the vacuum detects and navigates around furniture, small objects, and other obstacles with ease. You can trust it to move seamlessly through complex layouts, avoiding bumps, tangles, or missed spots. Smart features extend even further with app control. Using the Roborock app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction levels, select mopping modes, and even set no-go zones for areas you want the vacuum to avoid. The vacuum also intelligently detects carpets, increasing suction automatically for deeper cleaning without risking delicate surfaces. This level of customization ensures your home is cleaned exactly the way you want it. For pet owners, the Q10 S5 Plus is a game-changer. Its high suction, anti-tangle brushes, and self-emptying system make pet hair management simple and stress-free. You no longer need to vacuum multiple times a week or deal with clog brushes. The combination of vacuuming, mopping, and smart mapping ensures that your floors stay spotless, whether it's hardwood, tile, or carpeted areas. Overall, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is a perfect blend of intelligence, power, and convenience. It's more than just a vacuum or a mop. It's a fully automated cleaning assistant. From its 10,000 pascal suction and dual anti-tangle brushes to 70-day self-emptying, sonic mopping, and smart LiDAR navigation, this robot reduces daily cleaning chores to almost zero effort. For busy households, pet owners, or anyone who values a clean home with minimal time investment, the Q10 S5 Plus is a smart, reliable, and time-saving choice. In short, if you're looking for a high-performance robot vacuum and mop that can handle the toughest cleaning challenges, keep your floors spotless, and operate almost entirely hands-free, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is an excellent investment. It combines advanced technology, powerful cleaning, and intelligent design into one impressive device, delivering professional quality results every time.